check him out. He's twisted back here. Man, look at this thing. Life's Too Low Car Club, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Check him out, man. Look at that setup, guys. Check him out. Yeah. I think it's a Cutlass, man. Cutlass Supreme. 4 pumps, 6 batteries. He probably got 8 switches. Damn, check him out right there. We go check him out on the inside one time. Damn, look at that green. Popping. It's all leaned up. We checked out Life's Too Low down at World of Wheels, Indianapolis. Check them out, guys.
It's okay.
Yeah. Looking good out here, guys. And they in the Cadillac right here too. And the paint on this thing's just smacking, guys. Yeah. They got some more Lolos sitting down here too on the other side of this tent, guys. We definitely gonna have to get them on too. I think this Life's Too Low. We're gonna have to get them on. But let's get down this paint one time. Let's check it out. Woo. Look at that. And the stripes. You see them? Inside got the 4 switches. Check out the trunk. Oh, we got it done up back here too. It looks nice, man. Yeah, got the Continental package, you see? Chrome and gold with the gold knockoffs on the white walls. Ooh, you see him, you see him. Good looking car, guys. Got the Von Dutch up on the hood. Yeah. They looking good out here today. Yeah. Check them out right here. Ooh, look like a 59 and a 64. And they got these white down, man. Damn. Hella hecky clean. Look underneath here. Things. Check him out. Sitting up like you paid attention in class. Yeah. It's a 59, ain't it? Is it 61? Yeah, it's gorgeous, man. Check him out. On the all chromes with the white walls, you see him flexing, and look at the metal in the paint. Just hit and smack in the sun, man. He got the chrome under here, all done up, man. Ooh, yeah. He can take this to World of Wheels all day, guys. For real, for real. This thing hit. Let's check him out back here and on the inside one time. Oh, the inside, this is hella heckin' nice, guys. Check him out.
That's all you can say.
Super, super nice. And look at the pump setup back here. Damn, big batteries too. Look like he got 8 of them. 8 batteries, 4 pumps, and then big pumps. He could jump this. And look at this one here with the patina, the 6.4 patina. Man, they look good out here, guys. Yeah. Got the patina up there. I like it, man. Nice, nice. And I'm pretty sure it's Life's Too Low Car Club, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Check them out, guys. Yeah. They got the Lincolns out here too. Yeah, right here. Look, they got the marquee, man. We gotta get them on right here. Yeah, Life's Too Low. It's a Lincoln. You got the Lincoln on the white wall. Ooh, 2 Lincolns sitting here. Damn. Check them all out. Good looking Lolos, guys. Good looking Lolos. There's another Cuddy sitting there. Woo, look at these bikes. Outrageous motorcycles, guys. Look at this. Woo. So nice, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.